Mushrooms. Porcini. Red pine mushroom. Russula. Chanterelle. Honey mushroom. Aspen mushroom. Brown cap boletus. Fly agaric. Press the button for a test. Where is the porcini? Very good. Porcini. Where is the brown cap boletus? Excellent. Brown cap boletus. Where is the red pine mushroom? Very good. Red pine mushroom. Where is the russula? Perfect. Russula. Where is the fly agaric? Well done. Fly agaric. Where is the honey mushroom? Keep it up. Honey mushroom. Where is the chanterelle? Perfect. Chanterelle. Where is the aspen mushroom? Excellent. Aspen mushroom.